Good morning students. Welcome back to math class 11. Today topic complement of a set. Complement of a set. Definition of complement of set. Definition. Let U be the union, universal set. Okay. Be the universal set. And another set A subset. Subset. A subset. A subset means A already belongs to U. Belongs to U. Subset. Then the complement of A. Complement of A. Complement of A is set of all elements of U, element of U which are not the element of A. Clear? Without element you have remaining element of U, that is without A is called a complement of A. Means a family have 4 members. For example, family. Okay. Ram, Shyam, Karishma, Kunal, mother and father. Okay, this is also said. And Karishma, complement of Karishma. This without Karishma is called a complement of Karishma. S and M and mother, father. This is the group of complement of Karishma. Clear? Karishma. Okay, complement of K. So this is a complement. Union is a family. Without member is a complement of a member. The remove of member is called a complement of member. Clear? This type. And use complement of A equal to U minus A. This is a formula. Okay. And let exercise question number 1. Now let question number 1, property. Firstly, properties, important properties. First property, complements law. A union A complement equal to U, means without U and A use is also union. Second, De Morgan's law. इसे कहते हैं डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ. A scientist, De Morgan's, the name of De Morgan's law. A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. This is a De Morgan's law. This is the De Morgan's law. And A intersection B complement equal to A complement union B complement. This opposite union to intersection to union of in condition of complement. Okay. Question 1. U equal to 1, 2, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. And set A equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And set B equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8, even number. Okay. And C this equal to 3, 4, 5 and 6. Find number first. Find number first A complement. A complement means U minus A. Clear? This union, this minus A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 cancel. This 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. And also second part B complement union minus B. Remove the B element from U. 2, 1 is okay. 2 cancel, 3 is present, 4 cancel, 5 present, 6 cancel, 7 present, 8 cancel, okay, 9 already. Get your answer. This all other part. And intersection 6 part. B minus C complement. This property of B minus C property of 1.4 exercise. So firstly find B minus C. So find B minus C. B in and C. So this common element of B are removed in C. 2, 4, 6, 8. 3, 4, 4 remove and 6. 4 and 6 remove. So 4 and 6, so remaining 2 and 8 in BSC. And complement of B minus C. Complement of B minus C. Then from union, all union element 2, 8. 2 and 8 remove. All element 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. That your answer. Okay. So question number, can solve question number 2, no doubt. And taking the set of natural number or the universal set, write down the complement of the following. Question number 3, set builder type form question. X such that let A equal to X such that X is an even natural number. Okay, find complement. Union, already find a union set. Universal union, a universal set. So union X such that as in an even number. So U equal to 1 to so on n natural number. Clear? So complement of the A equal to, and find a roster form even number. The standard form start from 2, 4, 6 dot so on. So then complement of A equal to U minus A is equal to, remove a even number, the odd number or 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 so on. Odd natural numbers. This set is also odd natural number. Okay, and odd natural number also even. This second part is also reverse of even number. And positive multiple of 3 you can solve in the last exercise. And fourth part, prime X such that X is a prime number. This, so change in roster form, X such that as a prime number. So prime number start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 so on. Okay, so find complement of the number, remove all odd, some odd and without this. So this prime number, remove all natural number without prime number. This okay. 1, 2 is also given, 3 not given, 5, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, this type all n natural number is a complement of this. Okay, all natural number. Yet you can show कि all number without 2, all odd number and even number, all add odd and even number without prime number. This is also right your answer. Clear? So next question number, can you solve question number 8th part? This question very long. 8th part. 8th, x such that x plus 5 equal to x plus 5 equal to 8. X such that x plus 5, x such that a equal to x such that x plus 5 equal to 8. Okay, find this. So change in roster form. X plus 5, x equal to 8 minus 5, 3, only 3. So this set equal to 3. Okay, and complement of a, u minus a, this is a, so minus 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 so on. That's your number. Clear? And next question number 4. Any doubt you can ask. Okay, draw for, sorry, if u means universal set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and a equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, and b 2, 3, 5, 7. Verify this. Verify. Number first, A union B complement. Complement of A union B equal to A complement intersection B complement. That is, verify the De Morgan's law. Clear? So taking LHS, first find A union B. Okay, A union B set. A union A and B, 2 common, 4, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 then 8. Okay, this complement of A union B find equal to u minus this union also given, this union, this set, minus A union B is equal to, subtract union u from this numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and the last 9. That your answer for LHS value. Okay, taking RHS. RHS means A complement intersection B complement. Okay, so find A complement. A this 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6 remove from union, 1, 3, 4 remove 5, 6, 7 and 9. This is it. And B complement from B remove from U. Element 1, 2 remove, 2, 3, 2, 3 remove, and 5, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5 and 7 and 6 and 8 and 9. Okay, then intersection, E intersection B complement. Intersection is a common element. 1, 1 is common. 3 not given, 5 not given, 7 not given, 9, 9. That's your answer. Okay, clear? Question number 4. Okay, next. Next question number 5 question. Draw a appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following: A union B and this complement. So this A union B complement. So firstly is a universal, right? This universal, A union B, two sets intersect A and B. A union B means common and this element. Okay, this common element and both element of A and B. This is a union. Complement this, remove from this. This is a union. A union B complement. Clear? This remove from this. This blank space is also this. Or shaded this portion, this is also blank. And this, okay, A complement intersection, B complement you can draw, and A union complement and B complement is on Y diagram. And question number 6, if U be the set of all triangle in the plane, A is the set of all triangle with a least one angle different from 60 degree. What is A? You can find also now. And U be the universal set of the all triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, acute triangle are also given. If A is the set of all triangle with a least angle of this 60 degree, no 60 degree, okay, least means come, low, so 60 degree, 55, and some of this other least of 60 degree, so 160, 55, this is all take. What is the remove of this degree? Okay. Find the blank of the following, each of the following true and false statement. True and false. True, false. Clear? First, A union A complement. This A complement A union complement. Property also given. A is given. A complement means remove of unions from A, and then also remove remaining and A. This is also union. Clear? And second part, blanks, the following true and false. And phi complement intersection A, this equal to phi not a phi in intersection A, not a phi, this is also a, okay, not phi, not phi intersection A, complement union not phi, all union, okay. So phi not is this, union is also A. I think check your answer. (1.5) question number 7, that is union A, right. Another A intersection A complement, this complement without union, or this A is given A or without intersection, that is phi, right. Without union, without A element, A set of union, and A without union, A minus कर दिया, on then A is phi, without A and A 4.25, 125 minus 125 A, or 1 to this one, okay, right. And this fourth union dash my intersection A, union complement of union no union है ना, and A complement of A and complement of A or set A given, but union no means no complement, this is a complement set, okay. So can find this is also phi, no union A, and that is also phi, okay, this phi, right. Okay, solve this exercise, and if any doubt you can solve question number 1 to 6, okay. If any doubt you can ask to A, okay. Thank you.